Have you ever walked into a room only to forget why you went there? Or had the name of a close friend or family member on the tip of your tongue, but just couldn't remember it? If you're over the age of 60, chances are you've experienced moments like these. Most people immediately think it's just a normal part of getting older. But the truth is, not every memory lapse is simply caused by aging. Modern research shows that while you sleep, your brain is incredibly active. It organizes the information you've learned throughout the day, clears away waste products, and strengthens your memories. And here's the surprising part. What you drink before going to bed may influence how effectively your brain performs these important overnight processes. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 bedtime drinks that may help support better sleep, brain health, and memory after the age of 60. But first, an important reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. If you have diabetes, kidney disease, heart disease, or any other medical condition, please consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet. Now, let's begin. Number 5, chamomile tea. Most people know chamomile tea as a drink that helps promote relaxation, but quality sleep is also one of your brain's greatest allies. During deep sleep, your brain goes through a natural cleaning process, removing waste products that build up throughout the day. If your sleep is frequently interrupted, this important process may not work as efficiently. Chamomile tea contains natural compounds that may help the body relax, making it easier for some people to fall asleep. If stress or anxiety often keeps you awake at night, try drinking 1 cup of warm, unsweetened chamomile tea about an hour before bedtime. It's not a miracle cure, but it can be a healthy addition to your nightly routine. Number 4, golden milk, turmeric milk. Turmeric has been used in traditional diets for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, has been widely studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Although results can vary from person to person, curcumin may help support overall health as part of a balanced diet. If you enjoy milk, try adding half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to a warm cup before bed. Black pepper helps your body absorb curcumin more effectively. Remember, this isn't a treatment for any disease. It's simply one healthy habit that may support long-term wellness. Number 3, tart cherry juice. Now let's talk about a bedtime drink that many people have never heard of. Tart cherry juice naturally contains compounds that may help support better sleep quality in some individuals. And better sleep gives your brain more time to organize memories, recover from the day's activities, and prepare for the next day. Several studies suggest that improving sleep quality may also help support focus, learning, and mental sharpness. If you decide to try tart cherry juice, choose a variety with no added sugar, especially if you're managing diabetes or watching your sugar intake. As with anything, moderation is important. So far, we've looked at 3 bedtime drinks that may support better sleep and brain health, but the 2 most powerful drinks are still coming. Number 2 is probably already sitting in your kitchen, and number 1 is the bedtime drink that many health experts consider one of the best natural choices for supporting memory after the age of 60. Most people drink green tea during the day, but decaffeinated green tea can also be an excellent choice before bedtime. Green tea contains powerful natural antioxidants, especially a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallete, which has been widely studied for its potential benefits to brain health. These antioxidants help protect the body's cells from free radicals, which may contribute to age-related damage to brain cells over time. Green tea also contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which may promote relaxation and help calm the mind. When your mind is relaxed, you may enjoy better quality sleep. And better sleep gives your brain more time to carry out its natural overnight repair and memory consolidation processes. If you'd like to enjoy green tea in the evening, choose a decaffeinated variety so the caffeine doesn't interfere with your sleep. Now let's talk about a bedtime drink that many people consider old-fashioned and often overlook. The truth is, a warm glass of milk is still one of the best bedtime beverages for many older adults. Milk contains protein, calcium, and an amino acid called tryptophan. Tryptophan helps your body produce natural hormones that support relaxation and healthy sleep. When you sleep deeply and peacefully, your brain has a better opportunity to organize the information you've learned throughout the day and strengthen your memories. If you tolerate dairy well, consider drinking 1 cup of warm milk about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime as part of your nightly routine. If you have lactose intolerance, a milk allergy, or any medical condition that affects your diet, consult your healthcare provider before adding it to your routine. Choosing the right bedtime drink is important, but avoiding the wrong ones matters just as much. Try to avoid these beverages before going to sleep: sugary drinks, soft drinks, and sodas, energy drinks, coffee, or highly caffeinated tea, sweetened fruit juices. These drinks may interfere with your sleep quality, and poor sleep can affect your memory, focus, and mental clarity the following day. Friends, protecting your brain isn't just about taking medications. It's also about the small, healthy habits you practice every single day. Getting enough quality sleep, eating a balanced diet, staying physically active, drinking enough water, and choosing the right bedtime beverage can all work together to support your overall brain health as you age. Remember, a healthy brain isn't built overnight. It's built through consistent, healthy choices made every day. If you found today's video helpful, please share it with your friends and family, especially those over the age of 60 who may benefit from this information.